on, people, run there again on the journey, driving and thing, enjoying the beautiful sunshine, you know. Whoa, life, you know. What a long journey me bringing on and showing in Jamaica. Met a lot of people and did a lot of liberty and thing. Learn a lot of lessons along the way. Yeah, man. The journey is a learning one, but in this journey, I will just keep on moving. Yeah, life is a journey. Just keep on moving and take care of yourself. This is the beautiful Jamaica I give to you. Who knows where I will stop next? Yeah. Jamaica is that everywhere you turn, there is a spot for alcohol. So people them drink a lot, and not alcoholics for the place. So it's just easy. Life is slow. You drink. Your food, you dance, and read much books around here. One book them read. It's funny. Multidimensionalism, you know, you see, what happened now is that they make sure there's not a lot of library for the people. Because if the people read other than one book, them rise up. So you don't give them more than one book. So they don't have not really much libraries and books. So it's not a reading culture. It's not really a reading culture, you know. So you don't have to know that. You just sit down. If I don't watch TV upon Facebook, so there's a wasteland of minds. Mental wasteland where I deal with when I deal with some place in Jamaica. So you find because of the mental wasteland, the mind have a lot to occupy itself on foolishness. So what we need in this country are more big libraries and our digital books for the people, and because let me tell you now, the mind is not occupied with constructive information. So the time is spent worrying about each other. That's all. What have to happen is that they need more. If you drive to Jamaica, you'll never see X amount of sign that says public library. Them need public library all over the place, but them don't have it. Especially in the rural area. So you find that there's more churches than public library. So that's a problem. You take knowledge for uplift of people. So the rich make sure they don't put certain things in place so the people gain the knowledge they need to make them country better or fight for certain rights. So that's why you find you have a stagnant system, kind of backwards more time, you know. So it becomes a gossip culture. So what you find is the mind is occupied on each other's daily liberty and not critical thinking about high level learning or anything. So that is one of the challenges with this country. One of the main challenges. So it's not an occupation of mental growth. It is just news, gossip. So we have to change that. We have to balance the libraries them out with the churches. The country need you see, people abroad, if you not just in the community, bring containers, right, and drop a whole heap of books in these containers. 3,000 US for a container in your neighborhood, and just keep shipping down books and make the young youth them take the books them, because them are gonna need it. Can't let for people them, just informational darkness, Them need some more books in the country. A different. Since I've been driving, I haven't seen any library detour. It's just so it's set, Yeah, so people gonna have to do something about this. The youth them need more container libraries all over. Different kind of book, encyclopedias, stimulate the mind. Is the mind need for growing up? The mind, everything is all about the mind. You can't have one book in the country. That's a one-dimensional humanity. One book. I mean, no damn sense. So, them not have to go for school to get books. So, until next time, I go watch the road.